Hi, my name is Malak. I'm playing a game right now and it's called Super Onion Boy. I usually play it all the time. And it's my favorite and the best for me, which is games are usually fun, but this one is just blowing my mind, it's the best, and I love it more than anything. Probably, which is I'm going to be having turns with my sister, and I play it all the time because I like it. And this game is, and I'm gonna explain this game. There's some like things you control with this with the like onion that walks and and witches you have to control it, and there's like these, and there's levels you have to complete, and you have to win it, and you have some lives, and there's a potion that has fire, a fire potion. You use it to defeat monsters, and yeah, witches, that's one reason I like to play this game. And when you find these games, you have to type on Frizz. They're called Frizz. You type that in, and then you'll find those games there. So I hope. I don't know. And yeah. So, what do you like? Add a description. I mean, how long have you been playing this game? Oh, very good question. I've been playing it since on the free days of my homework, which is I really like when you ask questions. How have you been playing in Frizz? How long have you been playing in Frizz? Oh yeah, I've been playing Frizz for a long time. And witches, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I meant subscribe to my channel on a big up. That's not what she meant. That's not what she meant. Which is, I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of nervous. And I want to talk about something else. You know about like lifetime return. Do you know how you do it, which is like, well, it's just I don't like really know how to explain, but yeah. And yeah, and so
Subscribe to my channel and a big thumbs up.
again, and yeah, actually, and a big subscribe to my channel and a big thumbs up.